Dear Shua, I have been interviewed by you, I think two, possibly three times about parenting, maybe about relationships, and also with you and Shelton about Passover and Easter and our relationship to our spiritual lives. So my basic response is positive. I enjoyed the challenge of thinking succinctly about what I really wanted to say and share with an audience, whether it was about spirituality or parenting or my life as a Jewish woman who's involved in social justice and spirituality. So it was a wonderful opportunity for me to think about and summarize and share how I was feeling. So I appreciated the opportunity and the experience. And as you very likely know, I like working with you, and I'm open and receptive to other ideas that we might do as an interview together at some very near future time. In fact, it might be fun to interview each other about a topic of similar interests, our spiritual and emotional